Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to collect donations on your Squarespace website for a cause, a non-profit or maybe a personal project, so basically Squarespace makes it really simple. In today's small tutorial, I show you how to accept donations on Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way and look for Squarespace here. Then tap on this login. It will take you automatically to a new tab where you should just usually log in or sign in using your email address and password. After this, we're gonna go and create our own website. Okay, so here we go. Here we're gonna go and look for our cause. So why are you building this website? Let's look for donations, for example. So we can, for example, pick charity. Okay. Sell products, publish a blog or other media, collect donations. We're gonna select this one. Then we're gonna go for next. Choose your template. Okay. As you see, this is powered by AI. Templates made for you. This is some templates that already exist. You can pick one. Okay, let's pick this one for example. Start with this design. You can pick the colors. You can pick whatever you want. Okay, so for example, we're gonna go with this one. Start with this design, then settings up. As for now, go all the way to your commerce settings, then choose payments. Set up a payment method. You can connect Stripe or PayPal, so you can receive donations. Then create a donation product by going to products, add product, service or digital product. Name it donation. So that's basically it. As you see here on my website, I can do whatever I want. I can go to donations here since I set this website for donations mainly. And that's basically it. Once I'm fully done, I'm gonna go all the way, save, then publish. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.